It's always nice seeing a bear in the Smokies. And real quick, for those that don't know, Great Smoky Mountains National Park is located in the southeastern United States. It's the most visited national park in the US, and I shot all this footage in the fall of 2023 on a short weekend trip here with my dad. We went to Cades, Cove, and after that up to Newfound Gap, and then I busted out the drone in Gatlinburg. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Here we go. Well, there wasn't a lot of dialogue in these videos, and I try not to make videos that just have music added to them anymore. I know I started making videos like that with this channel back in 2015, but this trip to the Smokies was just a quick weekend trip up there with my dad, and I really wasn't focused on making videos for this channel at that time. But yeah, this is Newfound Gap right here. It has some really good views in the Smokies. Second only to Clingman's Dome, in my opinion, which is only about 5 miles up the road from here. And actually, Clingman's Dome is now known as Kawohe. This is footage from my AT thru hike, which I think was the last time I was up there. But unfortunately, we didn't make it up there on this trip. It was just getting too dark when we were up there. But yeah, the fall foliage was definitely in season on this trip. It was really in the prime in the valleys, but I think it was a little past peak on the summits. I love the Smokies in the fall. I think it's the best time of year to visit the park. The weather's usually just perfect, and it doesn't rain nearly as much as it does in the spring. So anyways, I kind of just wanted to fill this gap here and give you guys a little break from that awful royalty-free music that I unfortunately added to this video. But I'm going to play some more of it over some drone footage that I shot down in Gatlinburg. So that's going to play this one out. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you in the next one. It's the largest gas station I've ever seen.
Me too. I've been all over almost every state.
big deal is. I've never been in. We were gonna go, but there's just traffic. Look, there's just leaving the truck stop. So it must be something special in there, but this is crazy. We're gonna pass. We'll stop at the other one.